Camera.
Camera.
TV shows, film. So I got the camera on this shoulder.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Okay.
10 hours out the day.
And no surgeries on the shoulders, just the right knee?
No surgery. I did from football. I separated my AC joint.
Okay.
In this shoulder. So I never completely healed it. I did like physical therapy and stuff, but I still always had problems. And then starting the work that I've been doing, I just got a lot of tightness over here. Okay. So I have like the camera here and my hand is moving, like focusing
so
and
it's
stuff.
up.
So it's up moving the entire time. Okay. So all of this is like tight. And I get massages regularly, but it just hasn't been enough.
Okay. All right. So getting massages is great, but if you're out of alignment, it's like you probably feel really good for like the day to 1 to 3 days afterwards, and then it just kind of flips right back.
Yeah.
It doesn't hold very long.
No.
Now, if you get adjustment in conjunction with getting a massage, both of them will actually hold a lot longer. So look up to the ceiling for me and down to the floor. Good. And I want you to look over this shoulder and then this way. Yeah, limited range of motion there. All right. Lean over this way and then the other way. Tight right there. A little bit of pressure here. How was that?
It's fine.
And then over. Pressure here.
Tight.
Tight. Alright. Stand up for me. Try to bend over as far as you could go. Any discomfort?
I mean, just my hamstring.
Okay. Up. And lean to one side and then lean to the other. Anything? Move this back just a little bit. Okay.
No discomfort.
All right. You can go ahead and have a seat. Beautiful. All right. We'll go ahead and get started. Go ahead and lay on your stomach. I'm trying to read it in.
Yeah,
it's been a little while, right?
Yeah, it's been like, what, 3 weeks?
Okay.
Maybe.
Oh, you're talking about the spring event.
I wasn't supposed to be there.
But no, this part, there's nothing eventful going on right now with this.
Gonna throw some music over it.
Right. Like the elevator music. So you know a lot about cameras then?
Yes.
Me and you gonna have to talk.
Yeah, let's do it.
Because I need some guidance.
And get you some content, commercials, whatever you need.
That was funny. It's like, yeah, there's alcohol involved. I was like, it's like, I'm trying to remember. That's probably why it's a little fuzzy.
It's cool.
I was like, oh, okay, because Will always goes with me to those events. And we weren't going to that one actually originally. I was just gonna go by and drop off because generally they just have them from like 3 to 6.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry, 6 to 9 or something. But when I got there, they were like to like 10, 30, 11. I was like, come on. And they were giving those tickets out. Like they always try to wine and dine us chiropractors. I'm like, that's fine.
That's what it is.
I'll show up.
Cause I didn't know what the event was, and then it was just like a bunch of accountants and somebody at the bar was just like, "Hey, come over here with us, talk to everybody, meet my people." Okay. So then we ended up, doing
networking.
That.
That's where it's at. Alright, so first things first, we're going to check out your pelvis. This device is an activator. It sounds like this, but it feels like that. Okay. So don't bend your knee. With a straight leg, I want you to lift this leg up off the table. Great. Alright, back down. Then the other one. Was one more difficult than the other or more restricted?
Let me feel it. Do you want me to raise it as high as I can, or
we're just checking for restrictions. So if it feels like it was a little bit more difficult to get up off the table or a little tighter, you got to put a little bit more.
I would say this side is a little bit more tighter, which is weird because it's supposed to be this side. I don't know.
You ready?
Yeah, this side is a little bit more tighter.
All right, here we go. All right, lift this one first. And then the other one. Better, worse, or about the same?
I'm gonna try it.
Than before.
Better.
Good.
That's wow.
All right, try this leg first. Then the other.
That's better.
Better?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent.
Interesting.
Really short left leg too.
My left leg short?
Just a little bit.
You think it's because of my hip alignment or the leg itself?
More than likely it's the hip alignment.
Dang.
That's what we're gonna check it out. Give me 1 second. It's the sitter.
No problem. Just sit mine off.
All right. There we go. All right, you feel my hand?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to squeeze it with your legs for me. All right, relax. Yep. All right. So. Scoot your hips closer to me. Don't roll. Perfect, right there. Gonna pull the shoulder out. You're gonna give yourself the soft hug, just like that. You're gonna give me this knee and bend. All right, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna push your upper body back that way towards the couch, and you're gonna hold your lower body. You can't fall, so just be as relaxed as possible, okay? All right, lean back for me. And you're gonna hear a popping noise probably. All right, deep breath in.
You want me to relax or push my body back?
Nope, you're just gonna let it fall.
Okay.
Just fall back. So deep breath in, all the way out. Beautiful.
Is it crack? I was like, is that the table or my body?
A little bit of both. All right, go on and flip over to the other side. All right, same thing. All right, give me this leg. Straighten the bottom leg out. Good. All right.
Yeah.
Deep breath in. All the way up. One more time. All the way up. Good. It kind of went in the second one set.
I don't know what that means.
Now they're even. That's for sure.
They're even?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Let's see if they throw back out. All right, squeeze my head again and relax. Yep, goes back out. All right.
Some days I stretch like I'm supposed to, but not every day.
Okay. So this time you're just gonna feel pressure straight down. Okay. So you're gonna take a deep breath in, all the way out. Drop your shoulders. Let it go. You okay? You heard the crack that time?
I felt it.
All right, pick your head up. Down. All right, you're gonna pick your head straight back up one more time and drop that left ear, just like that. Let it fall. All right, you're gonna take a deep breath in, all the way out.
Yep.
Say that again.
I said, yep. You did that.
Straight back. Drop the right ear. Let it go. Deep breath in. All the way out. Okay. All right, you can go to roll over in your back whenever you're ready. It's gonna go closer to me right there.
Right here. I don't know why I had to touch it to confirm.
Alright. Let it go. Let this ear fall on my head. Good. You know what? I'm gonna get you sitting up. Want to sit up? let your hair fall in my hand. There we go. Alright, scoot over towards the center a little bit. Alright, you are going to interlace your fingers behind your head just like this. My arms are going to go through here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, fall back. Just let it go. Good, we're going to get a good stretch. Deep breath in. All the way up. Let it go, let it go, let it go. One more time, deep breath in. Let everything go. Look up to the ceiling, look up, look up.
Dang. Didn't expect that. She got me.
Alright, I'm going to adjust your ears, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So on 3, I'm just going to ask you to lay your head in my direction, just like that.
Okay. The things your body does.
Crazy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now follow me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, then follow. No allergies or anything, right?
Nope.
Alright, go ahead and lay on your back. Good. Do you pop your toes?
Yeah.
Prop this foot up and let it fall over just like that. Up. Right knee. Any hardware?
Nope.
Good.
Thank God.
A little bit of a pull. Good. Let it fall. A little bit of a pull. Good. Drop.
My face is out.
You didn't think it could happen?
Mm-mm. Wait, what's she finna do with my elbow?
Another extractor. All right. Prop your knees. You're gonna hold them together, just like this. Okay. Hold them there. Not a strength test, not a power test, just a strength test. Okay. You just gonna keep it right there. On 3, I'm gonna separate them just a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
Just hold them there. All right. 1. Relax just a little bit. Okay. Hold them right there. 1, 2, 3. You okay?
Mia.
You felt it?
Mia. I didn't think you were gonna do that. I didn't know if I, you know.
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
It's your pubic symphysis, so it's kind of deep down below.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You can go to sit up. So, put your arms kind of like this. You're gonna keep that elbow back. All right, you're gonna hold it there, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just relax, keep it right there. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. There.
I'm sorry, I was...
No, you good? This one wet.
Here.
Mm-hmm. Let's check out this bad boy. Let's see.
Clavicle?
Mm-hmm.
Little coat. Be different.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Just that a second. Hold that shoulder in. Hold it. A little more back. Right there, hold it. There we go. Jerk it around just a little bit. Lay on. Actually, you know what? You're fine right there. Relax your arms.
Was that a deformation?
I wouldn't say deformation. I think the formation is the same now, the location. Let me pull this down just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a lot though. Tender here?
Actually, no.
Or here?
No.
Good. All right. Let's see. All right, now look all the way up to the ceiling and down to the floor. Is that as far as you can go?
To the floor?
Mm-hmm. All right, now up. Now look over this way. And back to center. Back to center, good. And look this way. And this way. That range of motion. Now tilt your head over this way. And then this way. Hey! That's good.
It felt better.
Felt better?
Mm-hmm.
You want to stand up, walk around, see how you feel?
I usually can't put my shoulders back without like forcing it. Interesting.
Tell him that.
I feel good.